Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this one is going to be how I accomplish these super easy kinky twists. It's sort of like my updated kinky twist routine. So the hair I used is this Free Tress Equal Jamaican twist braid. It used to be called Marley braid, but now it's called Jamaican twist braid, and that's the drop tag there. I used color 1B, 6.5 packs, and I'm working with freshly washed and conditioned hair that's been air dried overnight. So I didn't actually blow it out. I just didn't find a reason to with the kinky twist. And this is how the hair looks. It comes sort of pre-separated into these sections. And I used one section per twist around the perimeter of my head and 2 sections per twist for everywhere else. Just because I have a very weak or fine hairline, I didn't want to put too much weight or tension around my perimeter. Now the main difference with my new routine compared to my old routine is now I use a product which is like a natural gel, and I use that to twist the hair. I apply some onto my actual natural hair and it helps to smooth my hair and make my hairline look neat, but I also put some onto the actual hair, which I find helps to soften it, and it helps my fingers actually glide over the hair really easy so that, you know, it doesn't cut you or feel really rough. And I just sort of separate the ends, fluff it out a bit, and loop it around my fingers. And then I use my hair as the third piece. So you can see here, I just loop it around. My hair becomes the third piece, and I start braiding. And I braid down about, I would say, 1/2 inch. And once I finish braiding and bring my hair into the middle, I split my hair in half and start to twist from that point. And I just continued that process. I did the same thing throughout the rest of my hair. The only difference is I used 2 sections or 2 pieces of hair for the interior as opposed to 1. But I did the exact same steps, applied the gel onto my hair, applied it onto the twisting hair, separated the ends, looped it around my natural hair, braided about 1/2 inch down, split my hair in the middle, and then continued to twist. And I did that until my entire head was done. So this is 6.5 hours later and 6.5 packs of hair later, and I'm finally done and it looks great and I love it. So with the ends, all I did was I actually split my hair into 4 sections and wrapped those sections around purple perm rods and dipped them into boiling hot water. The reason I only used 4 is because, to be honest, I didn't really want the ends to be curled. I just didn't want them to be bone straight. So that's why I only used 4 perm rods in my entire head. So this is the finished look after the ends have been dipped. It's very full but very lightweight. I didn't cut the hair at all, so it reaches me about waist length. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Super easy method, super quick. I hope you guys found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.